Hey guys, I'm Keith with Hoffman Weber Construction. As a home design specialist, one of the most common questions I get asked is what happens behind the scenes when I get my new roof, windows, or siding replaced. Well, this video is to walk you through our simple yet efficient system on how that gets done. As soon as you decide to move forward with Hoffman Weber Construction, we immediately get to work. I take your order, bring it back to our office, and hand it over to our team of experts who are ready to go to work for you.
Thanks, Keith. Then I take your paperwork, make a copy and enter it into our system, and hand it off to our production team to review.
As General Manager of Hoffman Weber Construction, I review your order both in our system and with your design consultant. It's all about accuracy and exceeding your expectations.
Then I take your order and compare your spec sheets against our electronic measurements to make sure that everything is correct.
Then you get to talk to me so I can go over the details of the installation with you and answer any last-minute questions you may have.
And we still haven't ordered any material yet. I get in the truck and drive out to your home to do a site visit, verification, and an additional measurement of your exterior.
Thanks, John. And now we're ready to order your material. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, schedule your install.
It's commencement day. In other words, it's the day of your install. Dumpsters are being dropped off and our crew arrives to set up and get going. Before you know it, your exterior will be complete and you'll be enjoying the new view. And there you have it, a behind the scenes look at our internal process for setting up your install. We hope this helps. Now all we have to do is cover your warranty with you. Wait, does this mean we have to make another video?
Nope, all the warranty information is clearly outlined in the contract.